Hello and welcome to another one of my thoughts videos. In this one we're going to get back to small planet theory. I decided that I would do the practical exercise of taking the world map and wrapping around an orange. And yes, it definitely works. It takes a little bit of figuring to get the size of the continents right to get it on, but there it is. There's South America fitting in with Africa. India wraps around and butts into that. Then you have Australia moving up into India and against Africa, and into the backside of South America. Antarctica fills the Pacific. Basically, this Pacific Ocean before you get to Australia. And Canada before you get to the USA, continent of the USA, which then joins over the top to Russia, and Europe also then comes down onto South America, the States comes down to South America and across to Africa and Europe. So yes, it seems to fit together on a small globe. So there you have it. I'm going to take a Sharpie, a marker, and I'm going to mark in between those lines on the actual skin. And I'm going to take a knife, I'm going to cut through the skin to do a reverse check to see what I get if I then divide the skin of the orange and lay it out on the flat. See what we get. So here is how my orange peel unraveled. Antarctica here went down to the bottom of the world map, and we'll say South America, the Atlantic opens up here, then to Africa, the Canada and United States went around the other side of the planet, and we have here a landmass through there, connected it with Hudson Bay and Alaska up here. Africa stay there, Australia separated out, and India here, there's India, went out like that, and around, this part here I think was Iran, Iraq, and now you've got the Mediterranean and Europe with Sweden, Norway up there, and there basically you have our present day world. So that's not a bad representation from an orange skin. Now I don't have a ball that's big enough to then try seeing how that spacing goes to see how much our planet expanded, but it is obvious that one crust of a smaller planet definitely fractured and is able to lay out into more or less the map that we have now. The next question and experiment would be to find a bigger ball to see how much bigger that globe or that ball would be from the original orange. But anyway, there's small planet theory. Our planet was smaller, it expanded, I believe, at the time of Noah's flood and the extinction of our second sun.